Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. All right. Today is Brickside Chat 14. Wow, it's been already 14 times. Can you guys believe it? Like this is like bi-weekly, online meetup in a very casual way. So it's bi-weekly. So 14 times of the bi-weekly. Like I'm not a mathematician, so I can't do this simple calculation. I'm joking. Yeah, it's been a really long time to keep it all, right? Um, Today is really special day because we're gonna bring ETHTaipei team on a stage to learn more about that exciting conference and hackathon. But before that, yeah, let's do the usual stuff first, all right? So today, right now, yep, around like a 14 to 15 people are here. Let's say hi first. Hi guys. Anyone can turn on and say hi. How are you doing?
What's up?
Yay! Hi, Kyler.
Hi
Awesome, awesome.
everyone.
Yo, 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 yo.
Well, the last week was crazy. Like, was it crazily busy for everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Yusha, it's been a long time to see you back, huh? Really good to see you back here. Hi, Urban. Oh, John's here too. Yeah, John is preparing a very cool product. Probably he's gonna have the showcase probably later on in the music Brewing Side chat. I see. Hi, Rafael. And oh, Disciple. Hello. And Brighton, Helix,
Yeah,
Hen
hi.
Henry.
Yo.
Oh, I think it's first time to see you. Henry, is it right pronunciation to call you? Awesome. Yeah. This is really casual meetup, so yeah, it's free to turn on your mic and talk something or yeah, just join in a lounge channel for chatting. Yeah, who docs? Who's gonna dox me? Like, okay, I'm not gonna call real name of Goma today. Yeah, I'll do really,
If
really.
anyone
Oh
has
my.
the right to dox you, it is Goma.
Anyway, actually, my name is all doxed out publicly, so yeah, I have no problem to call my name. Yeah. All right. So let's see. Oh wow, Haunted Town now has 5,300 real builders. Like you guys know that, like yeah, this is like very organically growing community. Like all the website builders need some kind of place for a hub. We need to get networks and connected, share some important informations, and help each other. Actually, help each other is the most important thing. Like I used to. I mean, when I was back in college, there was all this club and frat sorority, those kind of club atmosphere was really helpful for us to get survived from the college period, right? Like this is kind of motive to the reason why we made Haunted Town. Like we wanted to have some kind of places that everyone can kind of back each other, like help each other for their own success of the Web3 journey. So yeah, this is really going great. Um, Last week, there are a lot of important things happened, but I think the most noticeable happening at the moment is this war. So I want to talk about more about this today. I mean, just for shortly. Uh, Opening full view. Yep. So how many guys know what the heck is the LST LRT? I mean, honestly, at the first time ever I've seen this word, I thought that this is some kind of name of drug. Is LST like a drug name, right? Yeah, which is not a drug. Oh, LSD is drug. Okay. You don't know. Okay. Goma doesn't know, then it's not drug. All right. Um, so I researched a little bit about this market, but if anyone who can explain better, obviously than me, you can just turn on your mic and then you can start to explain about what is going on about the risk-taking war. like from Lido to Eigenlayer to Puffer and ETHTaipei. What's going on? Can anybody explain briefly about it? Maybe Kiter, you know well about this kind of stuff, right?
It it almost seems like the traditional banking system where banks can loan 100% of what you or like 90% of what you put in, and then they can again have that spread out.
Yeah.
But I'm not familiar enough with this particular thing to. But it sure really does look like it.
Yeah, actually, Sebaki also mentioned similar thing,
Yeah.
lend money, buy a
Yeah,
house. Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
Only there you're using fiat, and
uh,
this would be using ETH. But in the grand scheme of things, it's just a very workaround way to still do the same thing. And yeah,
right. So what's happening now is like there's a big divisions at the moment in the Twitter spaces. Like, many people think that actually this is kind of similar with Ponzi schemes, and some of the really royal supporter of those risk taking things are saying that this is not Ponzi scheme. What are you guys talking about? This is not Ponzi. So yeah, there's a big divisions.
it's probably the people that are most invested in this.
I mean, personally, I clicked yes here. This is my voting, but yeah, I honestly I don't know much about it. Like, so I kind of start research about it. So this is my result of researching. Please let me know if I understood the wrong way, because this is really complicated for me to understand. Like, I'm not that smart, so this is too complicated area for me
You are
to understand. So first of all, yeah, you guys all remember there was a ETH 2.0, like we changed to POS, right? So it needs either staking, and then your staked ether is kind of locked up, and then you get kind of it keeps changing, but around 3.5 to 6% interest in 1 year after that. So for example, you stake like 1,000 ether to become a validator, and if you don't get slashed, and then you will get 36 Ethereum later on, after 1 year. Like, this is the mechanism. But the biggest problem with this is that your Ethereum is just locked in the pool during the period of your validations. And these guys came out, right? Lido Finance. They changed it. Like, they brought up liquid staking. So what liquid staking is, like, they get the Ethereum, not from you. So you don't do validations directly. You just use Lido, and then they do for you, and then they issue ST Ethereum, which is LST, liquid staking token. Uh, and you can utilize this token to reinvest in something else. So that was kind of the ticking moment of everything begins, because you still get the reward of the staking reward, right? So this is called base reward, I guess. And then you utilize this to reinvest in another DeFi, and then you can get double up reward, right? Oh yeah, if I'm explaining wrong, please yeah, please correct me.
I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday
Uh-huh.
who asked me the question, which I ask myself for every project: where are they making money? So where is this project, which is offering the 3.6 interest?
They,
Exactly.
Where are
Where
they
is
earning?
where is the liquidity coming from?
Yeah,
oh, the 3.6% interest is actually came from the Ethereum, the block reward, like as a validator. So POW changed to POS. So
hmm
there's a block reward for per every block generation, right? Those staked validator, they get the block reward, and which is calculated approximately 3.6% at the moment. But
yeah.
it keeps changing. So
But
this, yeah,
but then
yeah.
where does the company make money if the staking rewards are all sent to the user?
Oh, so what Lido do? Actually, they give you less than this. They take some cut from the base reward.
Ah,
Yeah,
I see.
but in return, you get ST ETH, and then you can reinvest this to something else. That's why people use this Lido finance. Again, please correct me if I misunderstood. I never be able to use Lido because it seems too complicated to me. Yeah, but this is my understanding. And because of this LST, which is liquid staking token, now liquid staking token war, because Eigenlayer is debuted in this market. They created liquid restaking protocol. What the heck? So, so liquid restaking protocol is a DeFi protocol that use LST to generate another interest rate by reinvesting into some DeFi protocol. Like they call it strategy. There are multiple strategies by using some middleware. That was very complicated area, like a AVS something. I don't even remember the name. There is a middleware word that everyone can generate some strategy. Not everyone, only the verified AVS provider, whatever the middleware provider, they can generate the strategy for eigenlayer, and then you just use that strategy to create more reward from liquid restaking. And because of the liquid restaking, also DeFi, right? That returns you LRT, liquid restaking token. So yeah, LST and LRT is different thing. LRT is kind of one more layer of LST actually. And this also can be utilized to another. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, the LRT protocol has a lot of now players like ETHTaipei, Puffer, like somebody actually. Oh, from Hashed actually. In very well known Korean VC, they generated very well structured dune analytics. Anyone can just check the data here. These are all very famous liquid restaking protocol tokens. Nowadays, there's another one, Ethereum, was it? Which is by I forgot the name. They're really sharply increasing too. And again, because LRT is also token, right? There are also other things by utilizing this restaking protocol, like a lending or stablecoin. Stablecoin is actually a crazy area. This guy also mentioned about it, Ethena. What is the right pronunciation of it? Ethena. I don't know. But they debuted recently, and then they generate this stable coin by combining between ETH and ST I don't know even how to do that. So based on this pegging between two ETH and ST they generate what USD? USDE. USDE. Wow, what kind of world are we living at the moment? Huh?
I think they've made this exceptionally tough to understand just to make sure that people don't catch on that is a Ponzi. And
I
then
agree.
just try to make it as profitable as possible for themselves while it lasts.
Right.
Because this seems so convoluted.
Yeah.
Yeah, a confusopoly. Like Urban said. This is beyond the scope of any normal crypto understanding.
I completely agree. Like, to be honest, confess, like, to make just these 4 lines, it took for me 3 hours to study. 3 hours. And still, I don't know. I don't think I can explain again. Yeah, too complicated. Yeah,
The
so,
fact that we're talking about this for 13 minutes already explains the fact that it's maybe a bit too convoluted.
oh God, yeah, but the thing is like all the money is now flew into this liquid restaking platform because of all the variations like derivatives of LRT. So it calls actually LRT derivatives. What it means is like by using this LRT, there are whole different types of the liquid DeFi protocol like stablecoin, stable swaps, lending protocol is also one of the famous area for LRT protocol, and maybe Mint Club should make some LRT bonding curve protocol. What do you think, Seb? Seb, are you there? Seb's not there. Okay.
I saw Seb typing, so I think he is here.
What about Goma? Goma, what do you think about it? Like, what if we make kind of bonding curve from like a setting up the base token of the LRT? I believe the LRT also has ERC20 format token, so it has maybe token contract address, right? Technically, we can make it as a base asset. Oh, I don't know if can we call this as yeah. So yeah, this is a token like so WSD. So from Lido Finance, I think. You have WSD ETH and then generate the ERC 1155. But this is too simple synthetics. It's just too easy to understand. As Kairo said that, we should make it very complicated so that people won't understand just 8-pin. That was the that was the logic behind it. All right. Yeah, so I wanted to mention about this war because as a Web3 builder, we definitely need to watch where the money goes into, and we should be also aware of the risk of these kind of stuffs behind it. So yeah, please share your opinions later on in the thread or in the launch channel, any channels, what you think about. Now, yeah, we have about 22 people. So let's begin the main session today. Everyone make a clap for the ETHTaipei team. Woo! So, Ryan.
Hi.
Hello, Ryan.
Hey.
Is your name is Ryan, right?
Yeah, correct.
All right. Hi, Ryan, how are you doing?
Hi. Doing great. Hello, everyone here.
So Ryan is from the ETHTaipei team. So ETHTaipei is the biggest conference in Taiwan. I actually personally joined in 2023, and that was amazing. That was the best conference I ever been, all among the ETH series so far. I'm really happy to have him here. And let me change this screen. I'm gonna change into ETHTaipei screen. Here it is. All right. So Ryan, can you explain a little bit about ETHTaipei and what is so special?
Yeah, of course. Thank you for having me today. So East Taipei is we want to build the kind of the most devs-driven or most like technical conference in Taiwan and around Asia. And like one fun fact is that last year we were like a week, I think a couple months after the merge. So the last conference, lots of like Ethereum core dev come to talk about the merge and what's going on with the like Ethereum like on consensus or execution layer. And this year also a fun fact is we're a week after the Dencun upgrade. So a
All
lot of
right.
Ethereum core dev is also coming to talk about what's blob, what's 4844, what's going to happen after this upgrade, and what will it change either on layer 2 on the Ethereum ecosystem.
Is it
That's
gonna
one.
be after Duncan or before the Duncan?
It should be after because
After.
we're the last week. We're East Taipei is in the last week of March,
Uh-huh.
and then should be in the mid March or something.
Awesome. Wow. So if you join it Taipei, you're gonna see all the results after the Duncan, and then all the big stuffs probably, like some kind of chaos and also great stuffs, right?
Yeah.
That's gonna be really fun.
Yeah.
Um
Yeah.
so yeah, you guys are seeing the kind of recap video of 2023. This is really beautiful venue, right? I've heard that this is actually very heritage kind of building, right? What is this place? The Popeye.
Yeah, there's a upside and a downside on this. It's a heritage. It used to be
Uh-huh.
I think, a alcohol or liquor factory or something.
Oh wow.
And then the government turned it into a venue, like a local
Mm-hmm.
renew venue for the community. So it kind of kept the vintage vibe and also very cool to talk about the edging technology in it.
Awesome. Wow. Yeah, it was really beautiful place. You guys will love it. Any notable speakers for this time?
Oh yeah. So about the speaker, so about the structure of the event, the first 2 day, March 21st and 22nd will be conference, and after like 5 or 6 p.m. we'll switch the venue to hackathon. So on the same day, March 22nd, will be the starting day of the hackathon and till the 23rd and 24th. So it will be a 3-day hackathon and 2-day conference, and a total 4-day events. And about the speaker today, this year, Vitalik is coming in person to talk about a lot of stuff. And
Wow, you said in person.
one thing is, yeah, in person.
Wow, that's great news. So you're gonna
Yeah,
see, we're gonna
it's
see
really-
Vitalik if we go there in person.
Yeah. In real physical body.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
saw this announcement, exciting announcement. Like it is confirmed to have him in person, right? Yeah, awesome. Yeah, awesome.
Correct.
Yeah, and also,
And
yeah,
yeah, so I'll keep going, and
Yeah.
if anyone has any question, feel free to drop it, and I'll answer it as well.
Yeah, hello, Brian.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. So I wanted to ask, I see that the ETHTaipei is a thing in Asia. You said in Asia and this thing. You didn't mention Africa. I think last year, Vitalik was in Africa. He was in Ghana, specific. So are you guys thinking about coming to do anything in Africa, Ghana specific? And I really would like to be at the Safari this year, but I don't know. Yeah, so I mean that's the question.
Ryan, you're not from actually East Global, right? This is kind of local.
No, yeah,
Right, yeah.
It's a local
Yeah.
event. We're not tied
Uh-huh.
to. So funny thing is that I think back in 2022, East Global were coming at the December, and we're planning to host ETHTaipei with them. But during that time, the visa policy isn't that clear.
Mhm.
So East Global canceled the event that year, and the next year, 2023, we hosted as a local community event.
I see. So yeah, I think his question is about like East Global goes to the Ghana, like that. But yeah, he's not from East Global. This is more like
Yeah.
very local, like very voluntary people to make this event. Like, I don't believe that they kind of have kind of monetized
Yeah.
from this event. They're
And
all
answer
volunteer
for
people.
them,
Yeah. Yeah, this is really
Yeah.
great format.
I know visa issues are crazy. I mean, yeah, I get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
So
Yeah.
I noticed that the agenda is still not fixed yet, right? When will be fixed it?
I think within a week or two. So we're almost. So in total, there will be around 40 speakers, 40 speech during the conference, and I think almost there are like 38, 39 already been decided, and about to finalize the whole agenda within next week or 2 week, and we'll be ready to release it.
Awesome. So probably at the end of this month, we're gonna see full details about this conference, right?
Yeah, either the first week of March
Yeah.
or the end of February. I assume.
Oh, exciting, exciting. Also, who are these like sponsor? Are there any like a notable sponsor at this time? I remember that previous year, the Gnosis was the kind of main sponsor, right? Who is the main sponsor for
Yeah.
this one?
So the title or the biggest sponsor,
Yeah.
we will have a PR release shortly, but it's still in a very tight discussion, so it's not out yet. But I can talk about other sponsor at this
Okay.
moment. So here are a couple like Quantum Perpetual. They are the OG. They sponsor last year, and they are all like co-host of ETHTaipei. So obvious they're as the like biggest sponsor also this year. So and besides the co-host, Harvest, Market, XY Finance, MintCup, Zirkit, Term Structure also joining this year. And so it's mostly around DeFi, ZK, and infrastructure on on Ether token, and one I can announce is Consensus is also joining. So
Oh yeah.
that's also another on infrastructure. So these are a couple like sponsors that we already have, and our other ZK team are also joining as sponsor, like Aura, which is a Hyper Oracle, a ZK Oracle, and Leda, the ZK VM project, and also a couple other finance, a DeFi team like Dyson is also joining us this year, and that will be updated, I think, within a week or two.
Oh, then many of them may also run a hackathon pod, right? Those.
Yeah, correct.
Awesome. What about Consensus? Are they gonna also provide some hackathon pod too?
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah. Last year I remember that the Consensus, and there are a lot of actually hackathon pods, like or around like 7 or 8 categories. I remember. How many categories do you think for this year hackathon? Like how many pods do you think you're gonna have?
You mean how many
Yeah,
partners?
price.
Or
Yeah,
you
price
mean
pods.
the total price pool, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we're targeting around 40-ish K, and right now we have the confirmed one. You can take a look at either the prizes or the category on the right next to, like, I think resource. Yeah, the category part. These are the
Oh, wow.
confirmed
Yep.
bounty that we have at this moment, and it's around, I think, 22K or something. Like, it's beyond 20K at this moment. So we're over 50% confirmed, and we're trying and targeting like over 40K this year.
Wow, they all look interesting. Dyson Finance. Oh, actually, it's my first time to hear about Dyson Finance. Sorry, I'm not that smart, so I don't know much about this stuff.
Oh, it's a new project in Taiwan this year, but it's kind of
yeah.
The founder are all very OG in the space. The founder come from another team called Haka Finance. Not sure if that are more familiar.
Kyra says that is it Dyson Airwrap? Airwrap? What is Dyson Airwrap? Maybe not. Yeah, maybe similar name.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah.
All right. Wow. So as I understanding so far, yeah. So there's gonna have main sponsor announcement soon, right? I think those main sponsors quite important, in my opinion, because they kind of bring more vibes and a lot of resources for these conferences. So it's gonna be when it's gonna be ready to announce, probably next week, the main sponsor.
I think either a week or two shortly.
A week or two. I see. So yeah, there's big things coming, and also yeah, Vitalik's in-person conference will bring up a lot of people to come, I guess. Last year, it was about like 600 people joined, right? 600 to 700.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So probably this year, like what can be the maximum capacity can you guys have? the venue.
So I'm not sure that at the same time. But we're looking or expecting to have like over 800 or even 1,000 people there from time to time during the conference.
1,000. Wow, that's gonna be amazing. I mean, hey builders, how many people have been in Taipei, or how many people have been in Taipei here? Yeah, I've been there last year. Never been. Oh no. No one lives in Taiwan?
Never been.
Yeah?
I've never been.
You never been? Okay. Where is Raphael? Raphael, you live in Taiwan, right? Where's Raphael? Is he there now? Raphael. Yeah, he's here, but I think he's having another meeting with the English session, I think. Oh yeah, he's there. Yeah, you're here. Yeah, so I think we have only one person to live in Taiwan at the moment. Oh, Dante, you've been in Porto. Okay, wow, seems really interesting too. Yeah, you definitely should come to Taipei this year. This year will be really fun. And in my memory, Taipei is really fun city. I mean, yeah, it has both kind of very traditional, feelings, plus very, city exciting stuff, especially all the great bars and stuff. Like, I've been in the bar hopping at the time. It was amazing experiences. Yeah. Um, Actually, Ryan, do you know that the I ran a side event last year called
Yeah.
Avengers? Have you ever heard of it?
Avengers?
Yeah, Avengers. I'll show
Maybe,
you.
but I didn't recall the name.
Avengers. Where is Avengers? Maybe let me search here. Avengers. Yeah, here. Avengers.
Oh,
So,
oh, that's cool.
the concept was, there are a lot of side events at the time, right? And then
Yeah.
I just been there by myself, so I obviously did not have any enough resources to run side event by myself. So what I did
Yeah.
is that we kind of create some crew to hop around all the side events together. So this is why it's called
Oh,
Avengers. Yeah, people loved it, and then
that's
we
pretty nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
we kind of hopped around all different side events and parties, and after the side events, we just went to local pubs and bars or joined some random parties. Yeah, it was really fun. I'm not gonna do that this year because it was so tiring for me, and then I have to focus on the hackathon sponsor. But yeah, it was great experiences. I mean, you guys really should come Taipei, which is a really really lovely city. Yeah, I mean, not just for the Taipei. If you come to Taipei, yeah, you're gonna get a lot of great stuff. Especially as Ryan mentioned, the Taipei is really kind of high technical basis conference. You will get a lot of knowledge about what's going on in the current technical specs. Or at the same time, you can have lots of fun because Taipei is an amazing city. Is the side event list is kind of ready, or you are used to stacking up the side events list?
No. So to be honest,
Uh-huh.
East Taipei is kind of like the side gig for everyone. So it's going to be very chaotic hosting it, but we'll get things like well prepared like a week or a couple weeks before. So I'll also say the side event list should be finished, I think, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Oh wow.
And for the alpha that I can leak, wait, let me take a look.
Mm-hmm.
We have a really fun fact is that not sure if anyone noticed, but the profile photo of Vitalik is actually taken in
Oh wow.
Taipei.
I can see it. This is Taipei 101.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
I couldn't find the link, but we're gonna have a side event that's to take the same profile photo as Vitalik, so that everyone can share the same like profile background with Vitalik, and that's one fun side
Yeah.
event. And besides that, if anyone needs maybe support on the accommodation, there's also going to be a ZK hacker house around Taipei, and
Oh
that's
wow.
also worth looking into. So if anyone is into ZK and want to build something during Taipei, I think they are closing the application within a week, and so you should definitely check it out.
Awesome. Where can you find out the information? GK Hacker House.
Yeah. Wait,
You can just share
yeah.
share me later after this event, and then I can just share to the builders about that. Yeah, that will be really helpful for
Yeah.
some people who want to get connected with them directly. Also, at the same time, they can get some accommodation, which is really great benefits. Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, I just posted in the
This one,
the
all
launch channel.
Is it Pepe broke?
Yes. Yeah.
I see. Okay. So Ryan must be really busy to keep preparing this event. So let's do the raffle first. So thankfully Ryan gave us chance to have 2 free tickets. The conference general admissions, right? For the Hunttown builders. So what we'll do is from this line, please type your username if you really, really want to be in ETHTaipei, please don't just like type your name like you're not gonna be able to be there. Yeah. So please just name it, and if there are only two people, then we don't need to do raffle because we have two people. Yeah, no resell, no resell. Yeah, this is not able to be resell. If we found out that you're gonna, Goma will really track you down, and then he's gonna call you like I have very specific skills to take you down, like that. So, what about Raphael? Are you gonna be there? So type your name now if you want to be in the raffle. Yes. Type your name if you want to be in the raffle for the free tickets. I'll give you 1 minute to think about. All right. Until the time you think about, just tag me with your name. Tag me, right? And then it's considered to have the free tickets. All right. Until the time, let's look into more about hackathon. So, I actually have 2023 hackathon here. This was 2023 hackathon. There are about 300 participants. Actually, there were a lot of people. I went there, and then in the venue there are about what? How many teams? Like more than 30 to 40 teams, in I remember, right? There are a lot of teams.
Yeah, I think the submission is over 50
Oh,
projects.
it's over 50. Wow. Yeah. And when you see the projects, actually, there are a lot of projects submitted at the end. How many projects? Like over 50, I guess. Around 50 projects submitted. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
hackathon is really great way to enjoy that event, right? So, as Ryan said, that the price pot will keep increase. So last year it was about 50,000 something, I think, in total, right? And this year is gonna be.
Yeah, I
Also,
think it's
uh-huh.
yeah, I think total is 50. Yeah,
Right.
last year. But yeah, of course, Gnosis have like 30 in
Yeah.
it, so
Will Gnosis,
yeah, that's a big part.
will Gnosis come again, or they're not gonna come at this time?
No, they're
No.
not going to join us this time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So this year your target is about also like a 50,000 grant like level, right? 50,000.
Yeah, we're trying to get to last year's range,
Right.
but like missing noses
Yeah.
that might be a bit harder, but
Yeah.
we're trying to make it over 40
Right.
and of course close to 50.
Yeah. One thing quite unique for this time. I mean, last year when you see the categories, let me show you. They were all for developers, I think. Like you need to code something to submit. Pretty much all of that. But this year, we have Mint Club. My another project. We sponsor ETHTaipei Hackathon. Mint Club has no code challenges. Where is it? Oh, I forgot to mention about it. Oh, here. Yeah. So, Mint Club has no code challenge. I think this is kind of unique factor because mostly developers come for the hackathon, but there are also a lot of non-developers. They also want to join, and then if there are only like a price but targeting for developers, then non-developers are really hard to enjoy with it. So that's why we purposefully create these no-code challenges together. So what you can do, this is the beauty of the ETHTaipei because there are going to be a lot of price pot. You can just submit one pot or multiple pot. Is that correct, Ryan? Right? You can apply for multiple pots.
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Yeah. So
Yes, of course.
technically, you can get multiple prizes, like in total.
Yeah.
If you're
Yeah,
so
yeah.
great, like
Yeah.
And if you don't do coding, and if you didn't team up with the developer, or if you team up with developers, but if you want to apply also another prize pot as a just single person or with another team, is that also possible to do that, Ryan? Like, you create kind of multiple teams to apply. Is that possible?
No, so on the Taikai platform, you will be able to join
Oh,
one team at
because
a
I
time.
remember that
Yeah.
last year, several people do the team up multiple teams and then to apply. I remember. So I thought that it was a lot. Maybe it was not a lot last year too then.
Yeah, maybe not on the platform, but
Uh,
of course you can like discuss with other to
Yeah.
like have some like
All right. So
collaboration or something.
by the rule, it's not possible based on the rule, according to the rules and
Yeah,
terms.
yeah.
All right. All right. So yeah, I mean, Mint Club, if you're a developer, yeah, you can create something cool, kind of Mint Club wrapper, by using the protocol. If you're not developer, non-developer, still want to join the hackathon, yeah, we have no code challenges, so yeah, you really should not miss this chance. Is it possible to join the hackathon online, like remotely, or they should be in person?
So we're expecting at least one member in the team
One
will
member in the team.
show up or physically join the hackathon. But for the rest of the team, you're okay to join only online.
Awesome. I see. All right. So how many people want to get the free tickets? Jay or Goma, Tomo, can you help me? Like so far, how many people applied? Oh, really?
I don't think Agama was paying that close attention to that.
Okay. All right. Then, yeah, one free ticket will go to Raphael, and we will remain another one for free for probably next event. Like, you guys just keep checking on ETHTaipei. We're gonna keep talking about it in our Hunt Town, and maybe you change your mind. Oh, I definitely want to be there. If you change your mind, and then you join the next event to get the one remaining free ticket, okay? All right. Congratulations, Raphael. And yeah, Ryan, thank you so much for being today in Hunttown and then to talk about Taipei. I mean, yeah, Hunttown is really global community. There are people all around the world, so probably physically it's not difficult to join, physically in Taiwan, but still they are the big masses in each of their communities. So I'm pretty much sure that they will carry out this event all around their own communities
of
too.
course.
Yeah, which will catch up the targets, right? Please tell people that
Looking forward.
yeah, Vitalik is gonna be in person. This is a really big thing. Vitalik does not choose multiple things. He only choose one thing at a time. So yeah, if he's appeared in the Taipei, that's gonna be the only place you can see him in that time period. So yeah, please share this news
Yeah.
to around other people. I'm gonna share the Twitter link again. Yeah, this one. Yeah, please repost this so that other people can know about this amazing news. And thank you so much again, Ryan. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
All right. So now what we're gonna do, let's start to the submit your addresses for the POA NFT today. So yeah, Goma shared the form just now. For people who does not know what it is about, I'll explain what it is. So what we do every BricsSide chat, you can get POA NFT, like kind of POAP. But it's not really like a POAP because we're not using the POAP, the protocol. We use the exact cloud, but this works as a POAP because you can get to mint this only when you physically joining this event at the moment, right? So that's why we can call it POAP. Some people like who joined this like 13 times, then minted 13 times, yeah, probably have already 13 POAP so far, right? And what we do every time, we run a raffle like this. So this is gonna be your POAP number, and then we choose 3 people. And first 2 people will get 200 bit points, and the last person to choose will get building NFT, which is the membership NFT that we use for Haunted Town, which actually has a market value. How much is the market value? Anyone can search?
400, 350, 400 USD.
Whoa, yeah. So, yeah, this is really fun time. So, yeah, please submit your wallet addresses here to get in whitelist to mint that NFT. And if your NFT, if your address is already whitelisted, then start to mint too. All right. While you're doing it, what I'm gonna do, I wanna explain a little bit about the Mint Club's price path for ETHTaipei. All right. So probably many people know here that the actually there's a project called Mint Club. So it's long ago, like around 2 years ago, there was a mint. We launched the Mint Club, the core team, and when we launched it, we didn't do any like a private sale or ICO sort of like that. We wanted to make a kind of connected community or platform to Hunt platform. So what we did is that the Hunt token holders swapped their Hunt tokens into Mint tokens to BNB chain by burning their Hunt token. That was like one versus it's long ago. I don't remember the swap ratio. Yeah, but anyway, so technically Mint Club is kind of like a brother of Hunt Town. It's like really kind of related closely because a lot of Mint token holders are also Hunt Town Hunt token holders, so they're kind of connected. Anyway, Mint Club is sponsoring ETHTaipei. So whenever I've been in hackathon, usually they're very much focused on only for the technical people, right? Like only for developers or designers or non developers who work for developers. So we're kind of like, we cannot be independent without developers. That's kind of base theme of hackathon in general. So what's happening all the time whenever you go to hackathon, you always look for developers, and then usually developer has lots of power to choose their team. I remember my very first hackathon I joined. It was like 2015. That's where I met my co-founder Sebayaki. He was really kind of snobby developer, just like standing in a kind of backside of the event area, like yeah. Yeah, he just like oh, I just came here just to have fun. I mean, I didn't have anything to do, so that's why I'm in hackathon. What? Like usually when you have nothing to do, you just stay at home and then binge watching something, right? You don't go to hackathon for filling up your spare time. But that's what he said. I was like, wow, he's really unique person. So I kind of backed him to do together, to join the team. So yeah, that's how I met him. So yeah, hackathon. Yeah, he's too cool for TV. But what we wanted to do is like, we wanted to make something no code basis, tool for the non-technical background founders to join too. So that's why we decided to sponsor Mint Club by using Mint Club, because when you're using Mint Club, first of all, you can generate very complicated bonding curve tokens. Like what I mean complicated is like, very complicated design of your token economy, not just very simple one. You can even design it in a very simple way. That's the key point. You designed quite advanced level of bonding curve token or NFT in a very, very easy way. I'm gonna show you how it works. Like, first of all, you can choose all different chain here. Like, Base nowadays is quite hot. Arbitrum is really hot too. BNB chain we're really working on, make it hot. Avalanche is gonna be hotter. Blast, I don't know. We joined the Big Bang competitions, but I heard that there are over 1,000 teams already submitted the Big Bang competition. So we don't hope that we're gonna win because there's gonna be like a low chance. But anyway, yeah, you can choose a whole different chains to do. This is the most beautiful part. You can set any ERC20 token as a base asset of your bonding curve. I'm gonna explain what the heck is the bonding curve later on. Don't worry about it. The thing is like, so you can make a lot of variation. Like you can create 8 token basis bonding curve. you can make Pepe token based bonding curve tokens on a base chain, optimism, arbitrum, all different chains, which is really, really big variations for you to create some cool tokens, right? So let's say P7 Doxing Club, let's say. Like anyone who hunt me to find me and then talks about my public privacy. P7. I'm not gonna create it, so don't worry. You can even set your creator earnings, like default is 0.3%, meaning that you will get kind of cut between whenever people make selling or purchasing of your token, you're gonna get some transaction cost. This is really beautiful part. You can literally design your bonding curve whatsoever the way you want. Like you can make really like a kind of continuous line, or make really like a step basis line like this. And even what you can do, you can fine tune like this, in each like this, whatever your purpose is. You can even set your creator free minting, which is like these tokens will be minted to you directly when you deploy this bonding curve token, and then the bonding curve begins here. So which is really great function for you to utilize your free token for the marketing purposes. You can see all the details here. And if you have any questions, just turn on your mic or just type in the launch channel, please. What bonding curve? What is the bonding curve? What is? Can anyone explain what is the bonding curve? Maybe no one?
It's a tool that stops founders from rugging using.
That's kind of one of the benefits, I think. So bonding curve itself is like just like kind of rule, like continuous functions that already decided between relationships between price and supply. So for example, if I design bonding curve like that, then the smart contract already decided that at the 6,000 supply level, then the token price should be 0.321 Ethereum. So this curve, this algorithm between each supply level versus the token price are already set. That's the definition of bonding curve. So why do we need is because of the liquidity pool. And that's the kind of benefit of one of the benefits what Urban just mentioned about it. So when you purchase this token, usually to purchase the token, there should have liquidity pool out there. Like, so this is what channel I choose? I think I choose Ethereum. So I choose Ethereum. So to make this P7 token to be able to be purchased, I need to make P7/WETH in Uniswap pool, right? So I have to manually create the liquidity pool to make my token tradable. But in bonding curve, you don't need to do that, because when someone purchases this amount, then the bonding curve calculates the area size. This is gonna be the WETH that you need to pay in, which is already decided in the bonding curve, and then those pay token goes to the bonding curve liquidity pool automatically. I mean, it sounds kind of complicated, but it's really not. Like for the token creator, the beauty is that you don't need to worry about the liquidity pool creation, which is usually very complicated process. Like whenever I create the pool in Uniswap, I always ask SEP because I still don't know how to do. So I have to ask SEP to do that. Yeah, because it's really difficult to make your right strategy to create your bonding curve pool. Liquidity pool in Uniswap. But when you use Mint.com, you don't need to worry about it. The pool automatically creates for you, and then the pool size keep increasing and decreasing based on the token demands automatically. So it's really great things for you just to focus on your own tokens economy. Yeah, so if you join ETHTaipei, it's really great for you to make something cool project on Mint Club, and you can join the hackathon. I mean, it's not really big prize pool, like I mean, we're not really, as you guys know, we're not really big fancy team. So the total price of Mint Club is 5,000. But if you get some little even price, like it's gonna be still worth to try. And also Taipei is an amazing city. You really definitely need to visit. So yeah, please check it out. It's Taipei Mint Club Hackathon, and it's gonna be really great opportunity for you to create kind of fun bonding curve project. There are already a lot of really interesting bonding curve projects generated on the Mint Club. You can check them out too. Here. Oh, sorry, pardon? Sorry, I couldn't hear, but can you say again or just type in launch channel? All right. Oh, hello, Spices. It's good to see you back. Why do you have only 13 POAPs? Because the Brickside chat number 1 did not have POAPs. We started the POAPs from Brickside chat number 2.
Oh, right.
Yep. Oh, only 19 people? Really? Right now there are 30 people. What are you guys doing?
They're sleeping.
Guys, really, the building NFT has actual market value. Really. Yeah, it's not just like a random NFT. I mean, people around here actually know about it. So, yeah. All right. So the form is closed, Sap? Is form is closed?
Can I ask a question?
Yep. Definitely.
So the prof, I'm trying to. So I'm not in my machine. I mean my laptop at the moment. I'm trying to use my phone to collect it, but it's having some breakages. So I don't know whether I can do that later.
Sorry, couldn't understand your question. So you're talking about brokerage fee? What was that? Sorry.
The prof, the NFT, the hashtag. Yeah, I was trying to connect it, but I'm not with my laptop. I'm using my phone, and I'm having issues. So can I do that like later when I get home?
Oh, for the Dixie Club. No, because we choose all the people today. I mean, we do the raffle. So once the raffle finishes, then unfortunately you cannot join. So you should be able to mint at the moment to join the raffle.
Yes, it won't be included in this raffle, but future raffles will still include your NFT.
Yeah, I'm sorry about it, but yeah, that's kind of one rule. Like only people here can join the raffle. Even we're gonna call the number, and then if you are not here, then you're gonna be skipped to choose the next person. So yeah, it's kind of one rule here. Sorry about it. All right. How many people need more time to mint NFT?
Yeah, some people need some more time.
All right, then on to the time. Maybe introduction time, right? So now this is a perfect chance for you to say hi and then just introduce about your project. Anyone?
A lot of new people here today.
Yeah, there are actually
new people that I haven't seen before here.
Yeah, I can see a lot of new people today. Yeah, this is really casual meetup. So like imagine you're just in a networking session. So you just go to talk to people. It's like that. So just freely turn on your mic and then start to introduce yourself. Please.
OJ just sharing the 10K build with himself.
You just like I'm a huge whale, everyone. Goma, let's take some fee of doing it. Like when Jose gave Jose 10,000 build, let's slash it 100 build to spread out automatically to other people. Whoa, Jose,
Maybe
I didn't know that.
I can introduce myself a bit.
Oh, yes. Yeah, go on, please.
Yeah, because I just found out, I haven't introduced, because ETHTaipei, I'm as a contributor to ETHTaipei, and that's kind of a side gig for me, a volunteer job for me. So my main job or my main work is a contributor at the Harvest Finance, a yield aggregator on mainnet, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Base. And we're here. I joined last year, and we're here like for 2 or 3 years. I think back in 2018 or 19, we're in this space, and I joined last year, and mostly doing smart contract stuff. And besides Harvest, I do a lot of open source ZK related project contribution on like PSD project under the Ethereum Foundation, and also other ZK related project like Axiom and yeah, I think mostly Axiom.
Wow.
So yeah.
So you're working
I
for
mostly do.
yeah, you're working for Harvest. That's amazing. Like that's kind of my first ever kind of farming experiences, like really long time ago.
Oh yeah. Oh, glad you mentioned that. Yeah, we're the back in that time. We're the first yield aggregator, but
Right.
I'm not in this space at that moment. So,
oh, I see.
but yeah, I heard a lot of great reputation of Harvest, and it's really a community-driven project, and yeah, glad that I can be a part of that.
Yeah, your Harvest was the first actually. They started all the farming trend at the time. After that, there are a lot of Harvest copycat because I remember the Harvest was open source code, so everyone was just forked the code and then makes kind of Harvest copycats. Wow, awesome.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah. So yeah, this is your first time to be in Hunttown, but as you can see, first of all, there are all Web3 builders, and there are a lot of developers and some designers, including me, and many marketers, founders. Yeah, they have all their own roles in Web3 space. We also we do this bi-weekly online meetup, and then anyone can apply to have some project showcase of their own. So once you apply it, then you can kind of showcase your project like that, like what we've done today. Before that, I kind of study about your project and then kind of make some questions to ask, but in a very casual way, as you can feel. Yeah, so yeah, please drop by Hunttown often.
Nice.
Yeah, and then maybe it would be great for you to also connect with all other like-minded people. Yeah, good to see you here.
Yeah, of course. I really enjoy the vibe and people here. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. All right. Are there anyone who still didn't mint the POP NFT yet? Everyone are ready? Is ready?
I'm not minted.
Okay. I'll give you 2 more minutes because yeah, time's ticking. This Brickside chat is designed to have only 1 hour, so yeah. Please hurry up. In the meantime, another one who want to introduce yourself, just turn on your mic and then go. No, I see a lot of new people today. And don't be shy because first of all, like this is just voice spaces. Like we're not really actually seeing in person. And really, just turn on your mic and talk about your project or your stuffs. Yeah, then just you can introduce yourself in a chat. Yeah, if you're not gonna do that, you know what I do usually? I kinda name from the top. So let me see. The new person today. Brighton, I think you're a new person today, right? No? You're not there? Oh, you don't want to talk? Okay. What about Christopher? Hi, Christopher. Are you there? No, you're not there, or you don't wanna, you don't wanna talk. Oh, Brighton, you're up there. Yeah. Hi, Brighton. You wanna introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Brighton from Africa, West Africa, Ghana, to be specific. And
Hello.
yeah, I'm a community manager and a project manager as well.
Awesome.
Currently working for
What
ETHTaipei.
what project is it?
Yeah.
What
So I'm
project?
currently the community lead. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Keep going. I can hear
Am I
you.
ahead?
Yeah. Hello.
I'm currently working for ETHTaipei.
I think we lost
For
you.
about 2 years now.
I think we lost you.
I'm the project manager for
Oh. Wow, in the very most important moment, like we lost you, Brighton. Okay. I think your network. Yeah, I think your voices keep disconnecting, so we couldn't understand. Oh, is it me? My internet problem?
Am I clear now?
Oh, now clear. Yes. Keep
No,
going.
it's mine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm a community manager and a project manager as well. Currently I'm still on the search of job. But I'm working for B Network as their country manager, as in Ghana, community lead, and a couple of local projects too as well in the Web3 space.
Awesome.
And yeah, so currently hunting for other projects to hop on as well.
Yeah. Nowadays,
So basically
actually,
that's what
there are many builders from Ghana is joining in Huntertown. I think the Web3 spaces in Ghana is really kind of spiking up. I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. I mean, we need more events and all that's happening. So if you guys are willing, you can hop in here. I mean, I don't think there should be any restriction when it comes to visitors coming to Africa and Ghana to be specific.
Uh-huh.
I mean, hashtag can do something if you are willing. That's why they're
I think there are some big influencers that kind of focusing on the African boundaries because they're really young and very motivated, especially in the Web3. Everyone in Web3 spaces kind of start to use Web3 wallets right away. Like which is quite unique things compared to other countries like Asia or Europe. Like they start to experience the cryptocurrencies from the centralized exchanges first. But in Ghana or in Africa, I've heard that they start to use Web3 wallet first. So they
exactly. Even if you watch the space, I don't really think the space. I think the space is actually meant for Africa because when it comes to example, I'm just giving an example. When it comes to remittances, money transfer, and all that, it's like a whole issue. So with the blockchain, the help of the blockchain and other Web3 platforms and dials and all that, it's making life more easier for Africans. So I mean, it's a new thing, and people are really there. Are a lot of developers here. We host a lot of hackathons as well. People, I told you last year, Vitalik was in Ghana. We had a Web3 Accra conference. He was here. He spoke. Spent like 3 days or 3 days in Ghana. Yeah, a lot of people coming.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a growing thing.
Yeah, I think I agree. Like even just only the age part, like pretty young people, a lot of young people. That's really great benefit for kind of business potentials later on. And at the same time, the Web3 wallet and all the ecosystem, like they've already built in, which I think great benefits. Like, yeah. I mean, when you launch when you launch some Web3 product in Korea, like my origination, it's quite difficult to educate people to use MetaMask or the Web3 wallets because they're not that familiar. But that's not going to be a problem in African boundaries, right? Because they already know, right?
Yes, exactly.
I see.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's really good to see you here. And again, this is a bi-weekly online meetup. So please join next time too. And if you have your own project later on, do not hesitate to apply the project showcase, which is really great moment to showcase your amazing things with other builders, right?
Most definitely. Most definitely. Thank you for giving the opportunity as well.
You're welcome. All right, so now raffle time. We have no remaining time to wait more. So yeah, please apologize for me if you couldn't mint yet. But yeah, we really need to do raffle now. So oh, by the way, I actually prepare ETHTaipei ticket raffle too. Like hope that lots of people to apply for the free ticket so that we can click the wheel.
What's going on?
But yeah, couldn't do that. I just put the nice logo. If Ryan's still there, like I did make lots of effort to do that, just to show that. All right. Okay, so 200. Wow, 200, right? Is that last number? Can you confirm? Goma or Sabaki, is that last number? 200 for sure.
Looks like it.
Awesome. All right. Wow. This is the first time ever, I made it. Like, I usually prepare the numbers, hoping for today's, pull-up number, and then it was 200. Woohoo! All right, so first person will get 200 build point, okay? I'm gonna click to spin now. Go! Who is gonna get 200 build points? 200 build points, 200 build points, 200 build points, 200 build points. Number 43. Number 43. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds to say it's me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one? Nope. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna remove it. Run again. 200 build points for the first winner, who is number 134. Number 134. 134. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to call your name. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, this time no, you have 3, 4. Okay. That was a good trick. That was a really good trick. Yeah, almost got me. I got 34. Yeah, that was a really big trick. All right, I'm gonna remove it. Spin again. Please. Select the right winner, who is right here, which is number 176. 176. I feel like I'm an auctioneer. 170. Oh yeah, Nelly! Congratulations, Nelly. Woohoo! All right. Wow, thanks, Jose. Seb or Goma, could you give Nelly 200 build points, please? All right. Now, second person also who will get 200 build points. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. The winner is, wow, very initial number. Number 9. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one. Okay, I'm gonna remove. Okay. The winner, second winner, who will get 200 build points is number 110. Number 110. 110. 110.
At 134 was done.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, if there's no 110 here, then I'll just give the 200 build point to 134.
I don't know. They didn't send any proof or they just said, but yeah.
No one has 110?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Okay, then who has number 134? So Yatakopos, can you show us that you have 134? Could you show the screenshot of you holding 134? No? Hello, are you there? You should be here. You should be responsive to get this the reward.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
In the call.
Oh no.
Nope.
Okay,
Nope.
because of time, I need to move on. Okay, I will move on. Sorry. Bye. Okay, let's choose the second person again. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, we tried. The winner is 100, 101, 101, 101. Woohoo, Kaider! Congratulations. 101. This is yeah, this is Raffle 101, everyone. Finally, the last person who will get building NFT. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, sound effect please. Music go. Whoa, 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 71. 71. I'll give you 5 seconds. Kyler has 74. Oh my. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really last chance to call your name. Once you change this moment, we're not gonna spin it again for you, okay? I mean, yeah, we're gonna spin it again. Yeah, we're gonna spin it. No, alright. Your chance is gone. The last winner who will get building NFT is number 57. 57. 57. 57. Please show up. Please. 57. I want to go home. 57. Please.
Nope.
What? No one?
Nope.
What the heck?
Nope.
Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I need to go home. Alright. Next person. Ready, go! I really hope that we can pick the right winner at this time. Who's gonna get the building NFT is number 60. Number 60. Please. Please, you're there. Please, you're there. Number 60. Number 60, please. 5, 4, 3. Are you serious? Oh my god.
Nelly has it.
Nelly! Woo-hoo! Really, congratulations. Finally, we found the winner. All right. It was a really fun Brickside chat, I think. Yeah. So Brickside chat 15 will be in 2 weeks time again, or 3 weeks. We'll see. Sometimes we need to see the team schedule. So I'm gonna also post the potential dates to vote for your preferences. All right. Yay. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone who joined today's sessions. See you next. Have a great day or night, whatever. Have a great dream. All right. Bye bye.
Bye.